Friends, we are starting today from the HLMT23 tag. I have got some exciting news, so let's get cracking. So if you type HLMT23 as your search, or even in your browser, type bit.ly/new HLMT23, you will instantly be taken to all of the amazing projects that are shared using the HLMT23 tag. Of course, friends, whenever I check out your designs, I always give them a reaction. They are always fantastic. Notice if they are set to copy and tinker, don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad: before you copy and tinker, give a reaction. Of course, all of these designs are absolutely epic. Today, though, I want to highlight one of the Chain Link starter projects. This is by Bruce and Dad. Of course, friends, you can see I have given a reaction, and now I can copy and tinker. So when these are shared with me, what I do is I select them and I make them a creation. This makes them simpler, which is cool for our larger project. You can see I hit create shape. I'm going to name it Bruce and Dad, and then I'm going to tag it with the word chain. I'm also going to add the word link. And then we have to wait for the design to show up. As you can tell, these can be complex, and it does take a moment. On cue, there it is, and I can hit Save Shape. Now this makes it so it will show up in every project I open. And we are going to do exactly that by clicking back on the Tinkercad button. We were at 94 links. Today's the day. We pass 100 links in a single Tinkercad project. All right, so here we are at number 94. Let's start bringing out these links that I found. Here we have Anam Khan with number 95, Hanaya Khan with number 96, Board with number 97, Lemon Mania with number 98, The Good Bird with number 99, drop that critter in place, Bruce and Dad with number 100. How cool is that? I'm going to rotate it this way, drop it into place, and bingo, we have reached 100. Now, as I was trying to find the missing links, I also found some extra links. Check it out. Here is number 101. This is by LIA Designs. Absolutely awesome. Number 102 by Ghost. Number 103 by Kawaii Girl with, I think, a smiley face after it. And then also this awesome one from Sunward, which has the gold gear on it. D to drop, and check it out. 104 links in one project. Friends, I do want to apologize if I have not seen yours. Don't forget, if you add the tag HLMT23 in the properties or as a tag, that helps me track it down. And if you follow one of my later tutorials, it helps you make an awesome link that is not quite so complex, so we can keep adding more and more designs. Once again, thanks to everybody who's participated so far. And if you follow one of my later tutorials, it helps you make an awesome link that is not quite so complex, so we can keep adding more and more designs. Once again, thanks to everybody who's participated so far. Friends, as I wrap up, I do want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. Of course, I've got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with all sorts of amazing categories. Below that, you'll find the Day 1 favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. If you scroll down a little farther, you will find my course, Tinkercad in 20 Days. It is fully explained in this video. Of course, I do want to highlight the coupon code 25HLTinkercad, as it'll get you 25% off any of the awesome courses at cadclass.org. Of course, you can get there by simply clicking this link. Friends, just a quick reminder about the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. You can also use the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.